The PureSinter furnace is a high purity, high efficiency, and high reliability furnace for debinding and sintering powdered metal parts. Whether the parts are made through additive manufacturing, metal injection molding, or traditional press and sinter.
PureSinter is very easy to operate. You just put the sample in, close it, and the hardware and software and firmware are designed to do leak testing and make sure that everything is in place for you.
The PureSinter furnace puts a silicon carbide vacuum chamber inside of the hot zone and creates what we refer to as a vacuum retort. Since the entire vacuum retort heats uniformly and is non-reactive, contaminants generated during debinding have nowhere to condense and are swept away by the processing gas throughout the cycle.
The heating elements are isolated from the binder. The binder can never see the heating elements. It's removed from the retort, and there's no place inside the retort for it to stick to because everything is hot. And so it just all exits from the chamber and is captured by the binder trap.
We've also eliminated expensive water-cooled walls, removing the need for a chiller and leveraging the extremely high thermal conductivity of silicon carbide for rapid active air cooling.
The critical components and scientific principles which allow it to operate at an extraordinarily high level of purity are actually quite simple, which consequently makes this furnace very robust, easy to use, and requiring of very little maintenance.
The PureSinter furnace operates 240 volt, so it's readily available in a lot of environments. It does use gas, but you can site the gas much closer to the furnace, so that really brings the installation costs down.
You'll be amazed at how simple sintering and the quality of your parts can be when you completely eliminate oxygen, water vapor, and carbon contamination from your retort.
With PureSinter, we've shown that with intelligent furnace design, we can sinter titanium cleanly to high density with mechanical properties meeting and exceeding ASTM standards for post-sinter hipped titanium materials, which means that you can get the properties right out of the furnace without needing to densify it post-sinter through hipping.
Combining this with the fast cycle times achievable through rapid cooling of the silicon carbide vacuum retort, users will be able to quickly and easily refine their sintering cycles.
The PureSinter furnace is a cleaner, more reliable furnace for the needs of all sintered metal manufacturers.